May bago na namang affordable coffee spot na pwede tayong puntahan dahil dumadami na rin ang kanilang branches. Hey Drelskis! Ito yung Tomorrow Coffee at pinuntahan natin ang kanilang bagong branch sa BGC. Pagpasok mo lang ng lobby ng The Infinity Condominiums dito sa BGC, makikita mo na kagad tong Tomorrow Coffee. We tried some of their drinks kasama na ang kanilang mga Christmas classics. Simulan natin with their hot chocolate. It's thick, warm, and comforting. Ramdam na ramdam mo talaga ang Christmas season. Hindi lang available yung puto bumbong frap nila, but this bibingka latte was just so good. It's creamy, it's like Christmas on a cup, not too sweet, and flavors were good. Lalo na when you mix it all together para ma-incorporate lahat ng lasa dun sa iniinom mo. Yung Aren latte was their signature drink. Chose to substitute it with oatmeal. At in fairness, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Plus itong grapefruit americano, na fruity yung lasa at strong coffee. No wonder ito talaga yung mga best sellers nila. Something unique also is the strawberry coconut frap na sakto lang sweetness tapos may hint lang ng coconut milk. Meron din silang mga snacks that you can pair with your drinks like this